Now 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Then 4 times 4 gives us 16. Finally 16 divide 16 gives us 1. But this answer is absolutely wrong because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, finally addition or subtraction. Remember that in multiplication and division have equal priority. Always work from left to right. Same applies addition and subtraction. And here in this expression, division, multiplication and also parenthesis. So we follow the PEMDAS rule. First we do parenthesis. 16 divide 4 times 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Now division and multiplication and have equal priority from left to right. So first we do division. 16 divide 4 gives us 4. Finally 4 times 4 gives us 16. This is the right answer.